Let's test some tires. Last week, 2 weeks ago, something like that, I opened some tires from Duratrax. These are the pivots, and then I also got the Ascenders. So I mounted up the Ascenders here. So we'll take a look at those, then we'll do some running video that I took, and then I will give you my final thoughts. So here we go. All right, got the Ascenders mounted up on the 10.3 straight axle Jeep. These are 4.19s. They're mounted up on SSD trail wheels. They have locked up RC rings on them. The front does have some weight in it. I'm not 100% sure how much it is. They actually came off of my 10.3 tuber that I just got a couple weeks ago. And first impressions, they are pretty sticky. They're really soft. They're nice. Duratrax has actually got a decent compound. So I had high hopes for these things. And I think they did pretty well. We'll go into some running footage and let you see what you think. Then we'll be back. basically, to wrap this up, I like these things a lot. I think the compound is good. I think the size is nice. Even though they're 4.19s, you could always go up, down, and call it 4.19. They work really well. They seem plenty sticky. They're not so gooey soft that they just flop all over the place, but they're not hard by any means. So I think the compound is pretty nice. I think the size is nice. I think the tread pattern is nice. It's not too open, but it's also not too close to get that super realism to where it's, immediately packs up with dirt or anything like that. So you can kind of see they did start fuzzing up a little bit. It's kind of hard to see with the dirt, I'm sure, on camera, but it worked really well, and I'm pretty happy with them. I don't know that I would change anything. They seemed to conform when they needed to. They stood up and gripped well. I have the set of pivots on another Jeep that I'm getting ready to do a video on. I'm assuming they'll do the exact same thing, same compound. They're close to the same tread pattern-ish, I guess. One's more of like a normal mud terrain, and this one's more like a, I don't know, kind of looks like a Nitto, where they're a little blockier and everything, but it all just should be the same. The only thing that maybe is if you get them wet and muddy and a little sloppy, they may clean out a little different just due to tread design, but other than that, I expect the same thing out of them. So anyway, that is all. Hopefully this is somewhat educational for you and you learned something, made a decision, whatever you needed to do. So hopefully it helped regardless. You know what to do. Like and subscribe, share, if you want to, whatever the hell. And I appreciate you watching. I will see you later. Bye.